And tense face-off between the opposition and the Treasury continued in the Indian Parliament on Thursday as the government tabled the Waqf Amendment Bill in the Rajya Sabha following its passage in Lok Sabha. While the government has called the bill as a step towards transparency, opposition has termed it as overreach of power. We have a report.
After the Lok Sabha, the lower house of Indian Parliament passed the Waqf Amendment Bill 2025. Union Minority Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju on Thursday tabled the legislation in the Rajya Sabha, asserting that the proposed bill is not against Muslims but seeks to improve the functioning of Waqf properties, ensure transparency and end corruption. Despite condemnation and protests by the opposition, the Lok Sabha passed the legislation with 288 votes in favour and 232 against it after nearly 12 hours of debate. Rijiju said on Thursday in the Rajya Sabha it will be renamed as the Umeed, Unified Waqf Management Empowerment Efficiency and Development Bill. The minister informed the House that there were 4.9 lakh Waqf properties in 2004, which have now increased to 8.72 lakh.
जब इतना प्रॉपर्टी हमारा देश में है, इसमें किसी को आपत्ति नहीं होना चाहिए, लेकिन आपत्ति तब होता है जब दुनिया का सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉपर्टी मुसलमानों के नाम में वक़्फ़ प्रॉपर्टी हमारे देश में है और करोड़ों जो हमारे बहनाई हैं, गरीब मुसलमान हैं, उसको कोई फायदा नहीं मिल रहा है इतना प्रॉपर्टी। तो ये प्रॉपर्टी किस काम का?
Opposition lawmakers and Islamic groups see the bill as a plan to secure assets owned by Muslims and to weaken their property rights under the Indian Constitution. A member of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board said, upon passage, they will challenge it in the court.
क्यों 2024 में याद आया? 10 साल क्यों आपको याद नहीं आया? 2024 में इसलिए याद आया क्योंकि 400 का नारा इनको दिए थे, 240 में निपट गए थे, इनको बिल्कुल मेजॉरिटी नहीं मिली थी। इनको अब समझ में नहीं आ रहा कैसा अपना वोट बैंक बढ़ाएं। इनको ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा कौन सा मुद्दा ये उछालें, तो इन्होंने वक्फ बोर्ड को लेके आया, इस एक्ट को लेके आके कम्युनल पोलराइजेशन करने का काम कर रहे हैं।